let's all take a moment of silence for the fact that I'm wearing a sweater today. Yes, it is finally fall here, people. I could just eat my pumpkin candle. I'm Shayna, and I love sharing ways on how to better yourself and how to create a beautiful life. What's up, guys? This video is for all of you snoozers out there. You snooze, you lose, folks. You're so insightful. You know that? I know for me, the absolute best days are the ones where I wake up super early, I'm refreshed, I'm excited for my day, and I'm productive. When I can check in with myself at night and ask myself, okay, did you make the most of your day? And I answer, hell yeah, you did, girl. I go to bed happy. But this is not always easy. Getting too little sleep or getting too much sleep, guilty as charged, can leave us feeling super groggy throughout the day, and sometimes just a weekend of reckless, mindless behavior.
It's the weekend, hands up for the weekend. Oh my God, it's the weekend, hands up for the weekend. We can let go, sipping rosé.
Will leave you feeling like a zombie. My days of bouncing back are over. To be young again. Regardless, whatever your reasoning is, here are some tips to help you get out of bed in the morning. First and foremost, check in with your body. Rule out any underlying medical condition. If your gut is telling you that something more serious is going on, listen to it and schedule an appointment with your doctor. Or it may just be that your body needs the sleep. You may be doing more harm than good, continuously setting an alarm and hitting the snooze button. Try choosing a day or two where you just let your body sleep until it wants to get up. Phew! I am so happy all that serious stuff is out of the way. Quick action steps. Place your alarm clock, aka phone, across the room. It's much easier to roll over in bed, hit that snooze button, and go right back to sleep. Placing it across the room forces you to get on your feet and walk, and I'm telling you, it's such an easy step, but it does work. Shayna approved. Open up all your blinds to let some sunlight in as soon as you wake, or fall asleep to them open so that the sunlight helps you wake up. Make your bed as soon as you get up. I do this anyway, but for all of you that don't, it's less tempting to crawl back into bed once it's already made. Other quick action steps include stretch, play music, or take a shower immediately. I'm not going to demonstrate those, they're pretty self-explanatory. Other bigger steps. I had a hard time labeling this category, so bear with me. Pinpoint the thinking that's preventing you from getting out of bed in the first place. Because all of our action is driven from our thoughts, something's going on up there as soon as your alarm clock goes off that's preventing you from getting out of bed. So for example, it could be something like, psh, I don't really need to be up this early. Or it could be as simple as, I'm too tired to get out of bed right now. Those thoughts will have you hitting snooze over and over again. So the big question is, what are you telling yourself? And most importantly, do you want to continue allowing that thought to run your entire morning show? The answer is no, people. Remember how good it feels to be up early. This is how I get out of bed. When my alarm clock goes off and those thoughts start popping up like, no, I'm too comfortable and I just want to stay put, I simply remind myself of previous days that I've woken up early and how good it feels to get my day started. It works like a charm. Make a mental note or write down what's exciting about your day. When I know that I'll be filming or editing that day, or if I have something else cool planned, I jump out of bed. So remind yourself of the things you'll be doing that day that you love. And if you aren't doing things you love during the day, well, that's a whole other conversation, mister. If I may be blunt for a second, if your job sucks and that's what you're waking up to, maybe a trip to Dunkin' Donuts is the highlight of your day and the pep in your step that you need to get out of bed. And then you may want to start working on that whole job thing. Call me, 555. Just kidding. But no, seriously, check out my website in the description box below. Coaching! Alright guys, if you like what you see, be sure to hit the subscribe button, that red button, just hit it, and give this video a thumbs up. I will see you back here next Wednesday. Have a great week. Bye.